Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on the Shark Ion Robot Vacuum Cleaner, model number AV752. So here we have it on its docking station. That's going to keep it charged up. Now right here, sometimes we are going to have to remove this. This is when it goes around and vacuums, you're going to have to empty that out. Yes, it'll do a good job of picking your hair up. Now, there's where you're going to have to empty it out. Once in a while you do have to blow that filter off. But around back, there is another filter that comes out. And sometimes you do have to blow this filter off too. So on the right hand side, there is a power switch, so make sure you turn it on. It does have a Wi-Fi, so when you want to put it and connect it to your phone, you're going to put it into connect mode. But we don't have to connect it to our phone in order to use it. We can just come up here and hit the clean button. We can tell it to return to dock, or we can do a max clean, and it has a battery percentage indicator. Now it does use bump technology, so it knows how to avoid things by when it runs into them, it hits the bumper and that tells it to go the other way. So here on the bottom here, we do have a brush roller. Here's the wheels. You do have to install these two side brushes that turn. There's that wheel, and there's how it charges it. Once in a while, you do have to clean these edge sensors. These sensors here keep it from falling off going downstairs. Now, if you want to keep it out of a room or keep it away from something, you are going to have to get this magnetic strip. This, you can double side tape it to the floor or just lay it there. But when it runs up against it and senses this magnetic strip, it's going to turn away and avoid this area. Okay, so let's tell it to start cleaning. Let's just press the clean button. And it'll clean the room by bumping off the walls, and eventually it's going to get everywhere clean. Now it will transition from hardwood floors to carpet. It's doing a pretty good job at picking stuff up. It's not super loud. And then when you're done, you can just tell it to go find the dock. Hit the dock button. And it's going to locate the dock and dock itself. Here it's lining itself up with it. Okay, so it docked itself. Now it's ready to go for the next time. Let's do a max clean. It's a little bit louder than it was before. Okay, so let's empty its dustbin and see how it did. Press this button right here. Okay, again, take this over to your trash can. You're gonna pinch it right here, lift it up. Yeah, you can see it's doing a really good job. It's getting dog hair, really fine particles. Now, this robot does not make a map of your house. Again, it just uses the bump technology to kind of eventually clean the entire room. With the app, you can put it on a schedule so that it will clean at the same time every day. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.